Hi, you guys. First of all, I'm really sorry that didn't manage to get this off to you guys. I will, well, I'm going to just make a quick video here to show you basically what I should have shown you first thing in class today. So, this is a typical page out of the price book. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger here for us. Here we go. Hang on. Oh, maybe not. Okay. So, oh yeah, here we go. Okay, so a typical page that you're going to see within the price book. Up here at the top, we're going to see what section it is and what paper grade it is. So right now it's uncoded, and it's in F2. You'll see in the price book when you're looking that you're going to see C4 and other codes and things like that. So that's just where it is. If you look right here, you're going to see where the material is stored. So Spicers will store this paper. It'll be in Calgary, Edmonton, Regina, Saskatoon, Regina, Saskatchewan, sorry, Vancouver, Winnipeg, or all branches. Okay, so I don't think on this particular sheet they are really saying it, but you'll see this on every page. Okay. Once you get down into here, you're going to see probably the name of the, well, you're going to see the name of the paper and quite likely the grade. So you're going to see something, it's going to have bond, it's going to have cover or smooth, or sorry, opaque and that sort of thing. So that's, this right here is the product name. So what product are we going to order? What are we going to use? It's right there. Right here is the mill name. So this is the actual manufacturer of Accent Opaque Smooth International Papers. In the beginning of the semester, we talked about characteristics. And so right here, you're going to see that it's got a smooth finish. We've got different brightnesses and whitenesses. We can see that it's elementally chlorine-free. It's acid-free, which makes it archival. Whoops, hang on, don't me lose ya. Okay, all right, so we're going to drop down in here. Don't pay any attention to this section right here, okay? So right here we can see that it is FSC certified, so that means that the Forestry Stewardship Council has approved the growth of the trees, the harvesting of the trees to be an environmentally friendly way, and we can see that it also comes with a matching envelope. All right. Moving down into this part of the sheet, so right here you can see the thickness of the paper as depicted by the subweight. So we've got 60 pound, 70 pound, 80 pound, and 100 pound paper. Again, this is an opaque paper. Okay, so 60 pound cover and 60 pound opaque are two different materials because we figure out the subweight according to 500 sheets of the basic size. We know anyway, the cover is much smaller than opaque. We talked about basic sizes, but right here you can see these are the available sizes. They're otherwise known as parent sheets or full-size sheets. Okay, so they come in a variety of different sizes and in a variety of different weights. If you look here, 100 pound accent opaque only comes in 25 by 38 inches. That said, the lighter weights come in much smaller sizes and much different sizes. The next column shows us the M weight, which is the weight of 1,000 sheets in its in its cut size. So 1,000 sheets of 19 inch by 25, 60 pound accent opaque weighs 60 pounds. If you make a much bigger sheet, a 25 by 38 inch sheet, so 1,000 sheets, 25 inches by 38 inches of 60 pound accent opaque smooth would weigh 120 pounds. Okay, so right here they're giving you the weight of 1,000 sheets in these particular sizes. Okay, so you'll always know the weight of 1,000 in this particular size. All right. I'm going to jump over to here. You'll see these two columns are price per thousand. Price per thousand, if less than a carton, is this column. Price per thousand is more than a carton in this column. Okay. So where do we find out how many sheets are in a carton? Back over to here, you'll see carton. There's the short version of carton. So for this particular paper in this particular size, there's 2,400 sheets in a carton. If you go down a little bit, you'll see that in this particular thickness of paper and size of paper, there's only 1,000 sheets in a carton. Okay, go back to the rule. If you're buying less than this number, whatever it is, if you need to purchase less than this number, you're going to pay this price for 1,000 sheets. If you exceed this number, you're going to pay this price for 1,000 sheets. Okay, you know how much 1,000 sheets cost, so now you can figure out if you need 2,500 sheets, you know that it's more than a carton. You get the price break right here, so 140.25 divided by 1,000 times 2,500 if that's your number. Okay, and then, but if you only need 1,000 sheets of this particular thickness of paper, you have to break this carton open and you're going to pay a premium. So let's just say you need 1,000 sheets of 19 inch by 25 inch, 60 pound accent opaque. You're going to go 235.35 divided by 1,000 times 1,000. Okay, because that's how much you're going to pay for 1,000 sheets. So you're actually going to pay 235.35. You wouldn't have to figure that out. But let's say you need 800. Okay, you need 800, so you got to break open the carton. So 235.35 divided by 1,000 times 800 would tell you how much 800 sheets would cost. Okay? I hope that helps. What I'd encourage you to do, I'm not going to put in any more practice questions because this should have all been clear before we started doing the practice questions. Cher, I'm super, super sorry. And I apologize to all of you. I don't know because, yeah. All right, so what I encourage you to do is take those questions now that you've got a bit more understanding. Use the price book. It'll look a little bit different. So you've got the price book here, so the questions are a little bit different. If you've got a third column in here, don't pay any attention to it. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to post this, and hopefully by next Friday you'll be real comfortable with all this. Okay, cheers. Have a good weekend.